What's up, guys? LJ Crypto back with another video. If you like my content, please subscribe, hit the share, like, and comments button, and always know that it is my goal to help you become financially free through the crypto market. So let's get started. In this video, wants to do a video on how the Coinbase listing affected the market, crypto market, and also others who became made a lot of money off of Coinbase launching on the stock market as of last week. So the first thing I want to show is this article here. So it's about Kevin Durant, very famous, one of the most talented NBA players as of today. So, of course, he's with the Brooklyn Nets. But KD, he made an investment in Coinbase in 2017. And it says Durant, he's in many startups, investing startups such as Acorns, Robinhood, Inbox, Rubrik. So, let's see. So, as it says here, most of Durant's investments are between 250K to 1 million. And assuming that he put in 250K in Coinbase in 2017, it could be worth around 14 million as of when Coinbase came out, and that was April 14th. Yeah, then it talks about here Coinbase launched in 2012. So yeah, this is one of KD's companies, 35 Ventures. They were part of the Coinbase Series D funding, 2017. It's raised 100 million. It's about the valuation after this, so 8 billion, 2018, and so forth. Yeah, he's investing into other things. Yep. And also I want to go to another celebrity, the rapper Nas. So he's known for being a very successful investor. And if we go down, let's see. Nas is a part of this company called Queensbridge, and they invested in Coinbase 2013 Series B, and that raised 25 million. Back then, Bitcoin was $130. And as it says here, Queensbridge average investments range between 100K to 500K. And going down here, Nas could have from 45 million to about 200 million. So this shows that when you're a celebrity and you have a lot of money, you getting things early, yeah, because especially with IPOs, only those that are really millionaires are able to invest in IPOs, so they get in early. And honestly, this shows that celebrities, they know what's going to be the next big thing in the future, and they're able to get into things years before the public can invest in it. Since Coinbase was directly listed on the stock exchanges as of last week, while these guys were able to invest in Coinbase as a company years prior. Yeah. The last article I want to show is this. So about Gary Tan, who was an early investor in Coinbase as well. So 2012, he got in contact with the one of the founders of Coinbase, Brian Armstrong. And as it says here, back then Coinbase used to be called BitBank. Yeah, so this article basically shows how they met up. As you can see here, this is the emails of them meeting up. So yeah, no longer as BitBank, but Coinbase. Uh, yep. So yeah, that's the email once again. And yeah, so initially put in 300K. Yeah, basically over time that 300K, it in 2012 it went from 300K to 680 million. So once again, this shows that those who get in something early benefit the most, especially when it's not, popular or whatnot. Okay, so now I'm going to do a bit of a coin analysis based on how the market affected how the Coinbase listing affected the crypto market. So say if we go to April 10th here, uh, I'll say this around the time that the news came out. So Bitcoin started around 58.5K. Uh, then for about a couple of days, it was, stabilizing. Then around the day before the listing, it just shot up. So it went from borderline 60K all the way up to the day of the listing. It reached an all-time high of almost, let's see, almost 65K. And then went down a bit, stabilized, then went down a little bit more. And then about 3 days later after the listing, crashed down. Uh, this is going into the weekend. Same thing if we do ETH. Yeah, same thing. Let's see. So yeah, 11, 12, 13, going to 14, just shot up. Then dump like Bitcoin. Do one more. We'll do ADA. So yeah, overall, I mean, yeah, ADA went from $1.20 all the way up to, let's see, $1.55. So overall, the news of the Coinbase listing made crypto very, very bullish. And as you can see, all these charts once again, going into the weekend, everything just dumped. Um, and it's no surprise that it was gonna, dump like that. Cause I mean, whenever things pump hard, it's always gonna come down, but it's gonna bounce back and start going back up again. That's always gonna be the case. And last thing I want to show is the Coinbase stock chart. So we go here. Let's see. So yeah, the moment it came out around like the afternoon, started here. This is the price that it started when it came out. Shot all the way up to, let's see, its high was around 429, and it crashed back down. So um, you can already tell that the ones that had the IPO, uh, the employees and the founder, they all had their shares before everybody else, and uh, just from this, they most likely sold it, and that's what brought the price down so much. And yeah, after that, it went all the way down at a low of around almost 300, and yeah, now it's trying to bounce back from that. It's been stabilized a little bit ever since it came out. That's basically how the crypto market was affected by the listing of Coinbase. And Coinbase is, sitting at 333, but over time, Coinbase is going to go up, especially as Coinbase as an exchange and crypto as a whole gets more popular over time. That is the end of the video. Wanted to do this, reflect on how Coinbase affected crypto, because I know it was pretty impactful. Uh, but yeah, once again, if you like my content, please subscribe, hit the share, like, and comments button, turn on the notification bell whenever I post a new video. Check out the description below, and I will see you in the next one.